just look up somebody's skirt. You smell good. There's so many things wrong with me. Okay, so we need to take a picture of somebody. Let's try Kokona. Boop Mackenzie. Inspired by Markiplier. The face! I saved that. It's beautiful. Beautiful. God damn it. Fuck you. I hate this. I hate you, Kona. I'm gonna try this blue girl. I wanna see what she is. Y'all, let me try you. See who you are. Who are you? Ooh, she's a teacher's pet. Dear God. Me, Mayo. Goodbye, reputation. Goodbye. 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 Nobody likes you. I'm gonna die. First. Why? Oh my. What am I doing with my life? This isn't good. I want to drown somebody. What is wrong with me? Ooh, I want to matchmake me, Mayo, and this person. Whatever that person's name is, and I don't even care. Cause I'm... What's my name be? Creepy-chan, whatever. Tam-chan, whatever. Whatever the frick you want to call me. Bitch-chan, whatever. Let's run. Cause I'm a fast bitch. I want... Bath. I want to go in the bathroom and electrocute somebody. Never mind, I'm not even gonna be that evil here. I'm just gonna be a normal student until Asana arrives. I'm gonna kill her, at least. You guys want to meet my senpai? I gotta run. Oh God! What am I doing? Dear God! Why? Now let's see what happens if I laugh in front of senpai. Never mind, that'll be too bad. That'll be horrible. Let's see what happens when I laugh in front of the bullies or something. Wait, let's see this really quick.
What the hell is wrong with you? Wait for me.
Come my senpai though.
Now he knows what I'm really like.
Me when I drop my ice cream. Is my hair gonna be the same? It better be. Oh, it froze again. That's exactly what I wanted.